Hello, how to solve for s in this equation? S squared plus s squared divided by x plus 1 to the power of 2 is equal to 3. Solution. Then here, s squared is common. Let's bring it out. We have s squared bracket. If you divide this by this, we have 1 plus. If you divide this s squared by this s squared, we have 1 divided by s plus 1 square is equal to 3. Then here we have s squared bracket. Here this is divided by 1. The SCM is s plus 1 all square divided by, then here 1 in s plus 1 all squared, that is s plus 1 all square multiplied by 1. This is s plus 1 all square plus s plus 1 all square divided by s plus 1 all square, that is 1, multiplied by 1, that is 1, is equal to 3. Then here we have s square bracket. We can expand this. This is s square plus 2s plus 1, then plus this 1 divided by s plus 1 all square is equal to 3. Now we have s square bracket s square plus 2s plus 1, that is 2, divided by s plus 1 all square is equal to 3. Now here this can be written as s square bracket s square divided by s plus 1 all square plus 2s plus 2 divided by s plus 1 all square is equal to 3. Then here we have s square bracket s square divided by s plus 1 all square plus, here 2 is common, we have 2 bracket s plus 1 divided by s plus 1 all square is equal to 3. Then this s plus 1, we cancel one of the s plus 1 here and here. Then let's multiply s square by this s square. We have s square divided by s plus 1 all square plus 2 multiplied by s square. This is 2s square divided by s plus 1 is equal to 3. Now from here, this, if you have a to the power of n divided by b to the power of n, this is equal to a divided by b to the power of n. Then this can be written as s square divided by s plus 1 all square plus, here let's bring 2 out, 2 bracket s square divided by s plus 1 this is equal to 3. At this point, let s square divided by s plus 1 is equal to y. So this equation become, we have y square, then plus 2y is equal to 3. Now let's bring this 3 to this side. We have y square plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using either factorization method or quadratic general formula. Then from here we have y square plus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. Then this is y bracket y plus 3 minus 1 bracket y plus 3 equal to 0. Y plus 3 is common. We have y plus 3 bracket y minus 1 equal to 0. Then there are two cases here, y plus 3 equal to 0 or y minus 1 equal to 0. And from here, y equal to minus 3. Also from here, y is equal to 1. But s square divided by s plus 1 is equal to y. Then we have from the first one, s square divided by s plus 1 equal to minus 3, or s square divided by s plus 1 is equal to 1. Now let's consider this. From s square divided by s plus 1 equal to minus 3, we can cross multiply. Then we have s square is equal to minus 3 bracket s plus 1. Then s square equal to minus 3s minus 3. Then from here we have s square plus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. From quadratic general formula, s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And from this equation, a equal to 1, b equal to 3, c equal to 3. Let's substitute. Then s is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square, that is 3 square. We have 9 minus 4 times a is 1 times 3, that is 12, divided by 2 times 1, that is 2. Then s is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 12, that is minus 3 divided by 2. Then s is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3i divided by 2. This is the value of x when y is equal to minus 3. Now also let's consider this. When y equal to 1, we have s square divided by s plus 1 is equal to 1. Then we can cross multiply. We have s square is equal to 1 bracket s plus 1. Now s square is equal to s plus 1. Let's bring this to this side. We have s square minus s minus 1 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then from this equation, A equal to 1, B equal to minus 1, C equal to minus 1. Now let's substitute. S is equal to minus bracket minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 multiplied by A is 1 multiplied by C is minus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by A is 1. Then S is equal to minus times minus 1, that is plus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4 divided by 2. Then this is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 5 divided by 2. This is another value of x. Therefore, our final answers are s1 is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Then s2 is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Then s3 is equal to minus 3 plus square root of 3i divided by 2. Then s4 is equal to minus 3 minus square root of 3i divided by 2. You can see that we have two complex solutions in this solution. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.